Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Lightning Edges on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type Edges. Now you need to download this app from this developer. Open it. Click on this theme, name it and tap OK Creative. Close an ad. And over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, size of your edges and many other things. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always pick one of the sources like photos. Select the photo by clicking on the chosen one, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. When you're done, click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Select Yes. Over here, find Edges app and tap on the switcher next to it. Go back and click on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!